Welcome guys. In previous tutorials we have completed our second chapter exercises. Now we are on third chapter exercises. Basically third chapter is decision structure and boolean logic. So in these exercises we will be using if else statement to execute the statements according to some given condition. Now I will write the Python program for the first exercise of chapter 3, book Gaddis starting out with Python. This program will ask the user to enter a number and will display whether the number is positive or negative or 0, and it will also display whether the number is even or odd. Let's write the program. Create a new Python file and name this number analyzer. First of all, create a variable number and set this equal to input, enter the number, and then create an if statement to check the conditions. If number greater than 0, print number is positive. If number less than 0, print number is negative. Else print number is 0. Then make an other if statement. If number mod 2 is equal to 0, print number is even. Else print number is odd. Let's run the program. Enter a number at 10. Number is positive, number is even. Let's run again. Enter a number 15. Number is positive, number is odd.